That's just not the case anymore.
Like,
Mm.
would you agree with the idea that we always kind of thought we go into engineering, and if you're smart enough or fast enough or technical enough, then, things are just kind of going to work out because our skills are valued and are in demand. Um, is there a point? Do you agree with that? And then do you feel like there's a point where things have changed?
I think I agree with that. But I also think that there was a degree to which there's this like bad behavior amongst engineers where we just like to think we're smarter than other people
Mhm.
because we know what's on the inside, you know, and that made us feel special. And I think there were aspects of the culture of like pushing other people down to make yourself feel more special. And so I think that's part of the reckoning of like now we're less special, you know, and how how are you in relationship to that, right? Like it's not if you built your identity on kind of fundamentally some of the wrong things of being the smartest person in the room, of doing things that other people air quotes couldn't do, then when your identity is threatened, right? It's more likely to be threatened in this era. But if you built your identity on your ability to understand what people want and deliver them, then that's a lot more durable. And that's just not the case anymore. And I mean, I'm not sure that that kind of environment was ever that healthy, you know?
Mhm.
I think it encouraged people to self-actualize through their job, to be overly dependent on their job for their identity, for their friendship group, for all of it. Um, but I think it's a like there's a loss to that shift in the industry of to being less special, to, kind of feeling like, oh, if my current job is not going well, I can't just go and find another one. I have to deal with it.
Mhm.